0.
Okay, you got this. How about this?
1.
Oh, that's
Okay,
good, that's good.
how?
This might be correct.
Okay, so how about 0?
What? You almost had it. I know this is correct, so don't move that.
Okay.
And then how's that?
1.
Okay, see? So that one is another
Okay.
2! 2!
How are you getting 0?
Try again. Try.
0.
See? How are you getting
it?
You got this. All I'm telling you is these 2 are correct.
This is not
so
fair.
Don't move it.
Oh, these 2
Don't-
are correct.
Yes, they're correct. So don't move them.
Oh.
Go. It's your turn.
Okay. You said don't move. Don't move them.
Don't move them. They're correct.
Oh. 0.
Are you insane? I'm trying to be nice to you. I said these 2 are correct and you're moving them around. Stop moving them around. Move.
What do you mean? I'm trying to play 2.
How's that?
2.
2. Okay. I'm doing better.
Exactly, not
I'm doing.
fair.
I know. Wait.
How are you getting
I
that?
know these 2 are correct. How's that?
Oh.